guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for those who all don't know me, my name is Nikhil and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so the next time if I'm posting any video, you get the notification first. And also in this video, I'm going to show you how I do this look. It's a complete brand new video, completely different techniques and completely different. Most of the products are very different than what I usually do. And thank you so much guys for all the support and likes on my Instagram. For if you are not following me right now, please go and follow me on my Instagram also. I'm also coming up with a lot more videos right now. I had a very bad phase with my health and I had fever, I lost my taste buds, I also had cough, I had cold, I had body pain. Now you understand, whatever it was, whatsoever it is, that's gone, so gone. So I didn't have the first 15 days. September wasn't that great for me and I had a lot going on in my head and I'm just coping up with that. And ignore the background, ignore everything, just see me that I'm back with another video with me looking very glamorous and very beautiful as I always do. I hope so. Also, if you guys want to learn how I did this look, then please start watching that. Yes, let's start. So first thing, as always, I'm hydrating my skin with my Fix Plus. Next is my Moisture Surge. It's my Holy Grail again. I love this for my pigmented skin. It really helps me to balance everything. This is my City Block Clinique primer. I use it as a primer. Honestly, it has SPF 50 in it and it works fabulously and it does not give me any breakouts. So let's move on to the foundation. So I mixed my foundation this time. I've used my Krylon and my MAC foundation. I've mixed it and I've blended it into the two. And then I'm mixing my TS Cosmetics highlighter in it. So that gives me an extra glow and extra coverage. I'm also mixing everything together and I tried using my beauty blender this time. I wanted to try how it actually works, but I was not happy with it. So hence I'm going ahead with the second layer of the foundation and I'm blending that up with my brush. Simple, as I always do, just pack it on here. I'm eating once, twice, thrice. Here is my concealer. I'm just going to use that on my under eye. Use a soft blending brush or a soft brush that gives you enough coverage and helps you to pack it on. Now I'm taking my brush again and I'm just packing all over again. I'm making sure that there are no harsh lines left on my skin. Just take that extra time to just make sure whatever's the leftover, you use it on the inner corners of the face and also on the higher pyramids of the face. This time I'm not using a brush, I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm using that to bake my face. I wanted to give it a try because I wanted to see how the results are actually, like what's the result between the brush and the beauty blender. And surprisingly, I love the beauty blender better. Now I'm taking the MAC Mineralize contour and give me sun and I'm just taking a small brush. This I think I got it with one of the powders and I'm using that instead of the brush. This will actually help you a lot to give you a lot of dimension on the face. Once you have that done, then you can actually use your brush to blend it. So I'm using the same technique and I'm just making sure that I have my dimension. I mean, I have the first layer of the bronzer and then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend that harsh lines. So you always have a guideline and then you won't come down or then you won't go too much inside or outside because you have the dimension ready and you would want to stick around that. I'm doing a voiceover because I tend to talk a lot in my videos now. I'm just contouring the same brush, using the same brush 116 from MAC and I'm just using it on my jawline as well and on my neck and my forehead as well. This is a very fast forwarded video because if I would have done that, the video would have been 25 minutes long. I try to cut down and make it very easy for you guys. Same thing I'm doing it on my nose. I'm just making sure I'm just cutting that broad nose to a small beauty bitch. Yeah, I'm very much happy with how this brush actually worked. You would get this with Clinique or MAC. I'm using my Peaches blush with the 168 brush. This really helps me deposit a lot of product and whatever contour is there, my blush will actually get blended with that. I really love how it looks. You can also use the Miss Claire blush palette, that's just for 1650. I'm using the spiked eyebrow pencil and I'm just combing that. As you all know that I have very bushy eyebrows and I don't use so much of products on my eyebrows. I'm just making sure whatever brows I've done myself, I'm just going to shape them up. So is the shape is what matters in my case. But if you want a tutorial on how to do brows, let me know in the comment section below. I would do it from the scratch. Once I'm done with that, I'm just blending that with the same pencil. Yeah, pretty much the same, nothing new in this. And I'm just combing that back. Once I'm happy with my base, I'm just going to use my eye base. And here is my eye base, and my lips are primed with the Bang Bang lip balm from Nars. I'm not taking the softest eyeshadow in my palette. Use the one which actually gives you very light wash of color. And this way you will actually create a dimension on your eyes, and this is the way that you start your eye makeup. Start with light colors and it will gradually go darker. Like now you see I'm going slightly one shade darker, and always follow a color scheme. Like right now I'm following orange to plum. I started with peach, then little orange, then deeper orange or deeper plum, whatever you guys say. So this is how you do your eye makeup. Do not start directly with the eye makeup, and once you're happy with the guideline, then keep blending it. I'm taking a lot of time and I'm just making sure that I'm not going above my crease, because I wanted that little space to be seen. Because I don't have a lot of space on my eyelid, I tend to try this better. Like I'm trying this eye shape for good. Now once you see that's all blended, you can actually start moving out with the frost color, or you can actually keep blending. Now I'm taking the lightest color in my palette, the lightest, if I mean softest color, the color which does not actually seen. And I'm taking the glitter now, and I'm just going to press it on the eyelid, not going so close to the eyes because then that will take away all the shimmer. Now I'm taking the glitter from Krylon and I'm taking glue, and then I'm going to add that on my crease. Sorry, eyelid, not the crease. Once that's done, now I'm taking the Take the Plunge blue eye pencil, and I'm just going to do my lower lash line with a pop of color. Usually you can do black, brown, whatever. I'm taking blue, and I'm taking the lighter blue color, and I'm just going to blend that, and that gives me a lot of dimension and a lot of game changer. So this is the actual game changer. Once I tilt my eyes upwards, you will get to see that. Keep blending it. Just take that softest brush and make sure you blend that enough. Yeah. Once that's done, just keep checking both the sides, the intensity. Then I'm taking my mascara. As you all know, I love Climax mascara from Nars, and this is my holy grail. There is no going back. And if you guys can see my backdrop, it's Cleano vibes. I'm going to show you the benefits, and I'm going to talk about a lot about that in my next video. And also I've showed it in my 5 matte lipsticks, the lipsticks video. I've showed you that. I'm just going to quickly do my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm taking the Color Bar lip pencil in the shade Nude, if I'm not wrong, and I'm just going to fill my lips all over. Since we've gone up with pretty much heavier eyes, I mean lashes, now you can see my eyes, it's pretty much bold. Now I'm just going to take my lips and be very soft with that. Taking the Geraton lipstick, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm filling up the entire lips. Nothing new, nothing crazy. I'm just going to do my highlight, Fix Plus again, just to set everything. And I'm taking my Hyperion Glow palette, and I'm just going to add highlighter on the higher planes of my face. That's your cheekbones, your nose, your cupid's bow, your chin, your forehead. So with this, we also completed our look, and this is how it's gonna look like. And I just finished up with my nails. I love the way my lipstick and my nails are matching. I tried incorporating as much glitter, as much bling, as much pop of color I could do in my video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you want to see anything more from me, please let me know in the comment section below. And also leave your suggestions below if you want any videos from me or anything particular that you want to see from me. Also like, share, comment and subscribe, please guys. I see hundreds and hundreds now. One of my video reached thousands of the views. but I don't have that much likes and followers. Guys, please make sure, take a moment right now and subscribe to my channel, and please make sure you hit the bell icon so that you can see our next video from me. Thank you so much guys. Bye. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.